Is Disney Plus actually safe for kids? And if not, what can I as a parent do to make sure it is kid friendly?
Xbox, Twitter, Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, Movie Pass,
Google,
eBay,
DoorDash,
Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
The Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. If this is your first time here and you find this video helpful, you like it, you want more like it, please consider clicking that subscribe button and ringing that bell notification. We upload almost on a daily basis. However, it's always nice to get notifications of when we upload so that you can join us for live streams, premieres, and all these other stuff. So, yeah, let's talk about Disney Plus. Now, I did like a little live stream of the service, and that kind of doubles as my review. Very good service. In fact, we're just going to jump right to it. Look at this site. This is pretty much what the app looks like, and you can see it's wonderful. You can go to Disney, and when you select Disney or Pixar or Marvel, they've all got their little graphics. Star Wars, National Geographic, which is still an interesting addition to all of this. This is great. However, some parents have been wondering out loud, is this the streaming service that I can let my kids watch? Like without being viewed, without having to be there, can my kids run full throttle on the Disney Plus app? And the answer is no. In fact, you might have even picked up on that because you're watching the marquee banner go through. Now, some parents might be okay with The Mandalorian. Not all parents will be okay with Avengers Endgame. Lady and the Tramp is probably fine. So is High School Musical, the series. That's a great name. I'm actually interested in checking that out. But here's the thing. Unlike what I thought, like The Simpsons is uncut. And with the exception of the Michael Jackson episode, which, by the way, screw you, Al Jean, for removing that. And you too, Brooks. Shame on you. All the Simpsons episodes are on Disney Plus, uncut, and yes, that includes the movie, and yes, Bart's little wiener is shown on Disney Plus. It's actually fascinating. And Avatar, probably not something that all kids would want to watch, something not parents would want their kids to watch. And also, there's some interesting choices in here. Like, I kind of stumbled upon this, but you go here, and Sister Act is on Disney Plus. This is a movie about an LA showgirl who's being hunted by her mafia boyfriend and joins a church and hides out as a nun. It's really weird. Also, even though this is an excellent movie, you have Mr. Holland's Opus. That's a great movie. It's got some mature themes in it though. So I mean, if you type in like Bette Midler, like Big Business, like this is probably not a kid-friendly movie, and never mind Roger Rabbit. Is Roger Rabbit here? Maybe Roger Rabbit. I could have sworn I saw Roger Rabbit. Well, anyway, let's go home. And as you can see, like, here's Free Solo, an Academy Award-winning documentary, PG-13. And by the way, this will freak you out for sure. So here's the thing. Disney Plus is not a service that you just want to put your 5-year-old in front of so that they can just watch, willy-nilly. However, Disney has realized that, and so they have made a kid mode. And this is how we are going to show you how to set it up. So let's choose an icon. Let's choose Elsa. Why not? And profile name, Ramona. That's the name of my niece. She's going to be a little disappointed when she watches this and realizes that I'm not sharing our Disney Plus account with her family, unfortunately. And you click Kids Profile and Save. So, you have created a new profile. You have all the adults, and then you have basically the kids. So, what does the kids look like? You click it. Give it a moment to load. First of all, brighter colors, and look, this is what it looks like. You have Frozen as your headliner. You have Pixar in real life. You have Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You have Spider-Man. You have Toy Story 3. You have Star Wars Resistance. And there's the High School Musical movie. Now, under featured, You have all of these shows: Nemo, Guardians of the Galaxy, Star Wars, Descendants, Family Sundays, Alice in Wonderland. Yeah. Now, you have some PG-rated movies here, like Frozen and Tangled, although those are practically G-rated movies anyway. What about some... So let's go here. Let's go to search. What about Sister Act? Nope. No results. What about Roger Rabbit? Although we didn't find him last time. No. No results. But they show a lot of all this stuff. What about Star Wars? How does Star Wars come up? Well, here's the thing. Only the Legos and animated Star Wars stuff shows up on the Disney Kids, Disney Plus Kids profile. They're actually letting the parents decide. Granted, a few of them are PG-13 now, so you know. So, let's see. You go to Originals, and interesting. They only have 4 originals. Like, The Lady and the Tramp isn't there. So yeah, they don't even have the live-action Lady and the Tramp there, and that's pretty much a G-rated movie as far as I'm concerned. Now, here's an interesting question. What about Dumbo? Okay, now this is going to be interesting. The live-action Dumbo is not here. The animated one is, however, it still has this warning. It may contain outdated cultural depictions. So that's fascinating. I honestly thought some of the older Disney movies that have some of these, racial problems, let's face it, they are problems. I mean, I don't want them to cut the movies or edit them or anything, but, we have to acknowledge they had some elements that are no longer what we feel today. And they put warnings on them, but I thought that the ones that they had warnings on, like Dumbo and Jungle Book, I thought they wouldn't be part of the kids thing. So that's interesting. That is very, very interesting. Like, yeah, Peter Pan's there too. According to these movies are rated G, and but yeah. So this is what it looks like. I would still. It's kind of funny because I think maybe the next thing they need to do is anything like, what did it say about the original Lady and the Tramp? Yeah, may contain outdated cultural depictions. I think maybe the next thing Disney needs to do is the movies that have like the outdated cultural depictions, maybe to appease the Twitter mob, for lack of a better word, they might want to consider removing those movies from the kids profile. Stick to basically Disney Junior and Finding Nemo, Lizzie McGuire, Jessie. I'm kind of curious. Is Boy Meets World on here? No, it's on regular Disney Plus. So what about Girl Meets World? Okay, so Girl Meets World is apparently kid-friendly enough to not warrant a warning being blocked on this profile. So anyway, that is basically, we already kind of showed what you do. It's very easy. Just go, click Add Profile, and again, you can pick whatever, it doesn't matter, and then just select this little option, and boom, you have set up your kids profile for your Disney Plus account, and you can more or less just let them do whatever they want to do on the profile. So anyway, that's where we are going to leave this video. What says you? Are you going to use this feature? Do you think this kids only profile feature goes far enough? What do you think about Dumbo and Peter Pan and movies with, some of these elements that are, not exactly sensitive, still being on the kids profile version of Disney Plus? I would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but even as little as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly, and you get access to my Patreon's exclusive blog. Also, if gas prices are getting just a little down, check out the Get Upside app below. It's totally free, but you get cash back on every gas purchase. And if you want more content from me, also about Disney Plus, check out Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur vlogs, and Autograph Hound. And finally, if you want to talk to me or other fellow streaming war aficionados, check us out at the Apptrepreneur Hangouts on Facebook. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.